Hello everyone, this is Kiran Kumar BK in Quality Control Department. Today in this video I am going to explain regarding the various tests that need to be conducted on bitumen. Bitumen is one of the important material which we use in the flexible pavement. So it is very essential for us to know the characteristics and properties of the bitumen. So in order to know about characteristics and properties of bitumen, there are some vital tests which needs to be done on bitumen. So in this video we are now going to see the test which needs to be conducted on bitumen. So friends, in this slide we are going to discuss regarding the test which needs to be conducted on bitumen. Here are the list of 9 tests which needs to be done, which are very essential tests to know the characteristics or properties of bitumen. Let's now go on studying or understanding one by one. First is penetration test. In this penetration test, the penetration test is done in order to know about the consistency of the bitumen. The consistency of a bitumen can be known with the help of the penetration test. So after penetration test, next is ductility test. This ductility test is done on bitumen in order to know about the various properties like to what extent the bitumen can be stretched and how much extent it can be used as an adhesive. In this test, ductility test gives us about the nature of bitumen and its adhesive properties. Next, it's softening point test. This softening point test is also done in order to know the consistency of the bitumen, and it gives an idea of temperature at which the bitumen attains the viscosity grade. Next, coming to the specific gravity test. This specific gravity test helps us to know and identify and classify the bitumen source of bitumen as a binder. So after finding the viscosity test, then we will conduct a flash and fire point test. This flash and fire point test is one of the most important tests which is conducted on bitumen. This flash and fire point test helps us to know about the safe mixing application of temperature and values of bitumen grade. This test helps us to know about the safe mixing of bitumen and application temperature of various bitumen grades like VG30, VG40, etc. Flow test. This flow test is also conducted in order to know the consistency of the bitumen when the penetration test and viscosity test fails to give the penetration values of a highly viscous bitumen. Okay. Next, coming to a determination of water content test. This test is mainly done in order to know the amount of water content which is present on the bitumen. So water plays a very important role. The moisture content needs to be specified in the bitumen needs to be less. Next, the determination of the final test is determination of loss on heating. As bitumen, this test is conducted on bitumen in order to know about the loss of volatile particles which is present in the bitumen when it is exposed to the atmosphere. So these are all the tests which is done in order to know the various properties of bitumen. So in order to carry out these tests, there are some principle and procedure which needs to be followed and carried out, and these procedure and principle are specified in certain codes. According to that code, we need to carry out these tests, and for that for carrying out these tests, we need to go through the specification just provided by IS standards, that is Indian standard codes we have to follow. So friends, in this slide we will come across the various codes of bitumen which can be used in order to carry out these tests. For example, in penetration test we have to follow IS 12031978. Ductility test we have to follow IS 12081978. Softening point test we have to follow IS 12051978. Here the IS represent Indian standards. Next comes specific gravity test. This specific gravity test we have to follow IS 12021978. Viscosity test we have to follow IS 12061978. And flash and fire point test we have to follow IS 12091978. Flow test we have to follow IS 12101978. Determination of water content test we have to follow IS 12111978. And finally, determination of loss of heating we have to follow IS 12121978. So these are the IS codes which have to follow it in order to carry out a test on bitumen. These IS codes can be downloaded by the internet. So since bitumen is one of the most important material which is used in the road construction. The testing of this bitumen in order to know the characteristics and properties of bitumen is very important. Only after testing the properties of bitumen it will be possible to certify the bitumen quality and its properties. So this is all in this video, friends. Thank you.